Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck of Foreign, stuck with you when we always smiling. Yeah, I'm not feeling so good. Not because of the video I did before, but like I'm still feeling a little bit hungover from last night. I'm telling you, man, I was turned up.
Mess with foreign liquor.
Right? Yeah, trust me, man. I ain't doing that again, man. I tell everyone now I'm a vegan, so I know it has nothing to do with that, but that's my excuse. But anyway, there. So I'm about to link up with one of my subscribers, KT. You guys saw him in that vlog where Judah, was showing him for the link up for the Six Flags ticket. So he's about to give me a workout. So we head into the gym right now, and of course, look what my cousin got along with her. Like the vitamin water would be great, but dumpling in a bag isn't.
The dumpling is not for you. The dumpling is my dumpling. Why does it bother you?
So why couldn't it be for us?
No, you're going to the gym. The dumpling is for me.
Yeah, I already had my dumplings, guys.
Okay.
I had it with some cornmeal porridge.
Yeah.
It's really good. I enjoyed that. So yeah, we heading out there, and I'll get back with you. Oh, my cousin is in the back, but yeah, she got her music in. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys next time at the gym. Alright guys, this is where I'm at right now. Like, my cousin just dropped me off. There she goes, she's leaving. She way down there, whatever. Took a whole 30-minute drive to come meet up with one of my subscribers real quick. So this is where I'm at. As you guys can see, pretty good. It's not super fresh. Yeah, the sign's all the way there. I ain't got time for that. Yo, what's up, man? Bro, man, you made me feel a little.
Well, what you mean?
Thanks, bro. All right, there we go. I got my little day pass thing. All right. All right, my boy is about to. We can take stairs. So, I'm gonna disappoint some of y'all in the vlog because I can't go hard in this whole gym thing, man. I told him already, like I'm a bit hungover. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is what we're all about, guys. Making that connection. You feel me? Oh, shout out your party, man. You're doing your party. Your party. Yeah, shout out your event, man. Let them know what's up.
December 28th, Manchester. Mount Patrick. Better be there. If you miss it, oh boy.
It's called Manchester Link Up.
New Jersey,
Manchester Link Up. All right, cool. What about your fitness thing? Like anybody like in this area who want to work out with you?
Man, if you're trying to be fast, get fitness on. If you're in sports, if you're just trying to be in shape, lose weight, build muscle, be a bodybuilder, come see me, KT Journey, YouTube. Check my videos out or my Instagram, KT Journey 86.
Yeah, he always comments on the videos too, so like you'll be able to find him on that as well.
Yeah. Under
his name. What's the next thing I was about? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, he pretty much gave up time with one of his clients to yeah, I was talking in the wrong direction. He gave up time with one of his clients to work out with me today, so that's pretty awesome. And yeah, let's do it. Man, look at this gym. It's like a farm in here. Yo, it's pretty dope, man. Pretty dope gym. Yo, guys, so KT was like, yo, he got a surprise for me. Yo, look what this dude got me in the bag. Yo, y'all know I love Malta, but he got me the Guinness edition. Yo, I can't wait to do a quick taste on this and tell you guys what it's like. Yo, this is awesome. So the first thing that KT got me on right now is a treadmill. So my walk. He over there doing his thing. Yep. We about to get it, bro. Luckily I'm shooting on the new iPhone that I got, so should be in good quality. I don't even know if I put it on 4K or what, but this is helping me out right now because I can't really record in the gym here. So yeah, so what you say we up to? Uh-huh. Yep. Alright. Let's see what's up with that. Alright. So we out over here right now about to do some core, and he's just showing me the technique real quick. Yep. Alright, cool.
You feel good?
Oh, I feel it, man. Yo, so guys, I didn't make it through that workout. Yo, I was feeling nauseous and stuff, but pretty much we here. What we doing? Trying to go get something to eat. To be quite honest, I'm not even big on eating anything right now. I am gonna get something to eat, but yeah, I'm still feeling nauseous from this from last night. Guys, do not drink unless it's water, alright?
As hell I put my money in that goddamn meter now, man.
And we paid for nothing, right?
No, it's cool. It's only 50 cents, bro. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. So, what we doing right now? We're gonna go find some Jamaican food?
We're going to the Jamaican street. We're going to Scotchies.
To Scotchies?
Yeah.
Is in Jamaica?
No, bro. It's in East Orange, bro.
Yeah, you know what I mean. Like, what I mean is like the Jamaican Scotchies brand is up here?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty dope, bro.
Oh, shit. Oh, I didn't know you.
This dude is camera shy, man. What's up?
Yeah. I didn't know you had me on that. Nah, yeah, it's the Jamaican brand, so from down there.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna hit that up right now, and cause that's what I kind of wanted to do. I've been wanting to come up here and do like a food review, like, cause people been telling me like the Jamaican food up here is whack. You feel me? So
some places.
Yeah, some places. So I'm gonna check that out and see what's up with that. All right, guys. So we pretty much in some part of New Jersey,
the hood, man.
where he's saying
this is the hood.
He's like, yo, it's in the ghetto.
Yeah, man.
I gotta be scared and stuff. I don't know, man.
Niggas run up on you with a shot, yo.
But anyway, you know we do almost anything for food, so we about to here. But try to find this Jamaican restaurant here. Yeah, and I hope I don't die trying. Yo. Alright, so we finally got here. This place is called Scotchies Jerk. You know, in Jamaica, we already got a Scotchies. I was asking KT if this is like off the same franchise, but definitely not. So, I'm about to check this out. Yeah, chicken dip on the thing. I'm not sitting. Alright, let's see how I go on. See how I go on for this. Alright guys, so I pretty much got some rice and peas, some oxtail I drop on top of that, some curry mutton, understand, and some mac and cheese. Huh? It's fine here. Thank you. And then I'm gonna order something from my cousin. I don't know what she wants, but let's see. Yo guys, they got tropical rhythm in here. You see me? The other stuff I don't know. I don't know that stuff, but they got tropical rhythm, which is good. It's about So I just copped a piece of my cousin's jerk chicken. I want to see what it tastes like, and it tasted pretty good, to be quite honest. Let me tell you, that jerk chicken, bro, it's pretty good. Like it's seasoned pretty well. Wow. I didn't order that for myself because quite frankly, I can get jerk chicken in Jamaica like quite easy. Even though that's kind of stupid because I want Jamaican food, but I tried some of my cousins and it tastes really good. On him? Nah. And the next thing is, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, so like how much did I spend just now? It's like 34 bucks. I But anyway, I'm gonna try the food and let you guys know how it is. I hope it tastes good, like everything else, because the jerk chicken was good. If I like everything else, I might order some jerk chicken for myself and take it back home. Who knows?
What?
So Katie's gonna make me try one of the piece of the festival.
No,
We just make a whole bunch of bread out here.
Yeah. So these are $1 a pop. $1 for a festival. I'm gonna try this.
and one for the free.
All right, guys. I think I made a solid mistake because like their large box here in Jamaica. This is our large box. This is bro. It's a lot of food in here, but I don't mind though. I'm gonna check out all of these and let you guys know. You know how it is. That's what a veggie tart.
No, that's
Irish. Oh, Irish musk. Okay. How is it? Do you normally have it? No, you don't know.
I haven't. I don't know if it's good. That's why I told her if it ain't good, I'm bringing it back. So this is America, right?
Yeah.
So anything you don't want,
Take it back.
take it back. Well, even when I'm in Jamaica, they can't play with me, yo. I was like, that's not what I want.
I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, to be quite honest. Like, you can never get your local food in any other country and having it taste exactly the same way. It's next to impossible because the ingredients are a little bit different. Like the rice, I'm not used to this kind of rice in Jamaica, so it's kind of throwing me off, but it's good. You can tell it's rice and peas, feel me? Curry?
That's probably parboiled rice.
It's parboiled rice, and I don't like parboiled rice.
What the hell is that? I only eat jasmine rice when I'm home.
Exactly, I love jasmine rice, but this is parboiled rice, so I'm not feeling that, but the flavors of the rice is good.
I ate jasmine rice one time back in 2010 and I fell in love with that.
To be quite honest, the oxtail, I think my aunt makes the best oxtail ever, so I don't like messing with it. But this is good. It's good oxtail. The mac and cheese, this is like American style mac and cheese. I don't even want to talk about that. Yeah, it's American style mac and cheese, so it's whatever. The festival personally, I like the super soft festival, but this one, yo, the flavor in this festival is, yo, you can taste the cinnamon, everything, man. This festival has got a lot of flavor. I like it.
Oh, thank God I didn't get no sauce. This is hot.
Don't, right? The jerk chicken is pretty spicy.
And it's no sauce. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm yo.
Overall, what I think about the food, it's worth it. If you're living here and you're missing home, a place like this you won't complain about. But if you want the real thing, you gotta bring your ass to Jamaica. I mean, that's straight up. You can't change that. Yeah, so I finally got back home, guys. Yo,
After being lost.
we got lost how many times? Maybe like for like 10 minutes?
15 more.
Yeah, maybe about 15 minutes. But yo, this is where we gonna end this vlog. It was a freaking pleasure to meet KT.
Bless.
Trust me, bro.
Yeah.
A real freaking pleasure. We have a good conversation, learn a whole heap of stuff, and it was good. Plus, we found a Jamaican spot that
And it was good.
Anne couldn't take me to, or Michelle, so I'm pretty good.
But you could tell her about it and she could go there.
Yeah, I could. Well,
What is it called?
It's called Scotches in East Orange.
yeah.
It's not far from here. On Central Avenue in East Orange.
Yeah.
Good.
But I'm gonna leave you guys here. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and remember, keep the link.